In the last video, we were creating a Hello World demo WebOn. We were creating this React application running in Nomo app. And in this video, I will show you how to debug a WebOn. Like if you're doing any kind of complex projects, you will run into errors and you need a way to debug those errors. We were doing this with Chrome DevTools, with console logs, network debugging, and so on. Like if you have web development skills, then you should be already familiar with those debugging tools. And we are doing this first for a desktop. Like I'm running here Nomo app for macOS on desktop. It is pretty easy to debug. We were just clicking on this button and then it will open the Chrome DevTools. So Nomo app has Chrome DevTools integrated. Here we can see console logs, network debugging, DOM elements, and all the stuff that you need. So this is pretty easy for desktop. Then for Android, the setup is a little bit more complex. For Android, we need to connect Google Chrome to our WebOn. And how are we doing this? There are multiple steps involved. Like we need to first enable that dev mode, not only the dev mode inside of Nomo app, but we also need to enable that dev mode in the system settings of Android. How to do this? This depends on your Android phone. You open the system settings, click on About, and click 10 times on the build number in order to enable the dev mode of your Android phone. Then you need to enable USB debugging. I have already enabled it. This is also in the system settings of your Android phone, enable USB debugging. Then you connect your phone with an USB to your development machine. On your development machine, you will need to install additional software. You will need to install Android Studio or Android Debugging Bridge. Like you can look this up in ChatGPT how to install it, but here you can check it if you have ADB installed. If you run this command, then it should list you the connected device. Like if the USB connection of your Android device works, you should see it in this command ADB devices. And if this is working, then you will need to go to here to Chrome inspect #devices. Like we go back to a Nomo app. First we start our WebOn. Here's the Hello World demo WebOn running. And then here Chrome inspect devices. This is also explained in the README of the Nomo WebOn kit. If this works, you should see here the WebOn. Here we see our React app, then we click on inspect. And then we have the Chrome DevTools, and this is a remote connection of Chrome DevTools to our Android phone. So the setup is a little bit complex, but you need to do it only once, and then you can just develop like this with Chrome DevTools connected to your Android phone. Then for iOS, it is kind of similar. For iOS, there exists another technique, remote debugging using Safari on iOS. You are connecting Safari browser to an iPhone. I will not go into details about this. You can Google it. You can look it up online how to connect Safari to an iPhone. And then there is another technique. This is the fallback mode. If you're developing in a normal browser, in a regular browser, the React application, you can just develop like any mobile web page, and the Nomo WebOn kit goes then into a fallback mode, so it kind of simulates the Nomo app, even though if it is not working inside the Nomo app. So yeah, those are multiple options for debugging. You can look it up in the README file of the Nomo WebOn kit also. You can choose any option that works for you. I hope that this will help you for developing your own WebOns. Thank you.